Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need the right prerequisites first. Node, JS 18+, NPM, and get configured with your SSH key. Once you have those, create a project folder and initialize it with Git and NPM so package management is ready. Next, install or clone the Genmoji CLI into that project. Make sure it lands in Node modules or a local tools folder. You do this because Genmoji expects an NPM context and Git history for asset generation. Now you're ready to configure keys and templates. Now configure Genmoji. Add API keys and environment variables to N file, copying values from your service or CLI token. Then prepare your emoji source assets and a template. JSON that maps names, sizes, and variants. Genmoji reads that schema to output files. Once done, run Genmoji build to generate assets. If you want live updates, run Genmoji watch. Make sure to correct schema validation errors the CLI prints, because invalid mappings cause partial or missing outputs. Finish by adding build scripts to package. JSON so anyone can reproduce generation with npm run build and commit generated assets following your repo policy. Then validate the exported emoji across target platforms and sizes to ensure transparency and scaling look correct. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting by verifying your N values, the template schema, and your node version. These cause most failures. If errors persist, rerun the build with verbose logging to capture stack traces and correct the underlying config or asset issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.